WNBA star Candace Parker.
More Americans than ever have library cards, so sign up for yours today at your library. It'll be the smartest card in your wallet.
Brought to you by the American Library Association's Campaign for America's Libraries and ALA Library Champions.